Today is a product review on Mr. Coffee Automatic Coffee Grinder. I received this as a gift a few years ago and have loved it. I've had zero problems with it. I love how compact it is. It sits perfectly inside my cupboard and doesn't take up much room at all. But obviously, I love how it works. It gives 5 different grind settings. It has a 12 cup capacity. If it does stop grinding, it just means that you didn't click the lid in properly. So you can see here, I have it grinding and it stops. If you just click that lid in it and then hit it again, it will finish that grind. I'm so glad that I received this as a gift. If you're looking to give a gift to somebody, I really enjoy this. I absolutely give this grinder 2 thumbs up.